So the private keyword may not seem very relevant to you now, but keep in mind that as you start going deeper into object-oriented programming, the private keyword becomes very relevant and important. So it's good for you to be introduced to it and know about it. So until now, you have only learned about public methods and public classes and public everything. But what does that keyword public really mean? Well, public makes it so that whatever method, class, or variable you are typing is accessible to any other class. If I have a program with multiple classes, which most real programs do, and I declare a method in that class public, then that method can be called in any other class. However, I have the option to declare the method private instead of public. If I write private instead of public, then that method will not be accessible to any other class. That method can then only be used inside the class that it is created in. Now this private keyword doesn't just apply to methods. I can also make my instance variables private. That's right. So, if I make my instance variables private, then again, no other class can access them. To make an instance variable private, I just have to put the keyword private before I declare it. So, for example, I could write private int age or private string color. So, private methods become more important when you are dealing with the concept of inheritance. This is a more complex concept in object-oriented programming, and you won't learn about it in this course. So we won't be dealing with private methods for now. Right now, I just want you to get used to using private instance variables. When instance variables in classes are not private, it allows the user to directly alter these variables through any other classes. And in lots of cases, programmers do not want this to happen. So you should try to make the instance variables in your classes private, at least for now. Once you begin dealing with more complex concepts in object-oriented programming, such as inheritance and polymorphism, private instance variables and methods, and the reason why they exist will make more sense to you. So, I just thought that I should introduce you to the private keyword. It's good to know about it, and it will become very relevant as you go deeper into object-oriented programming.